Uh, may yes our video we in reply of Sir Trini Jonas who say Drum Jonas who say a friend is saying Sound Jonas Trini Jonas oh bottom oh Jimmy Kawadrin so may come madrin actual say who Jimmy Massa you would the way obey to me and your life undi at them Sebi some penny for no more honomono so moon no way do my prana none of them is your age mate. We blacks respect your elders. What's the penny Jimmy for one no so be I say. Asia, Nasia JJ woo ye. Would you coachina social media na woody kwasiasem say or by American ka own Adam Michael Jackson. Ana your friend is saying Okowu a Trabodam friend is a community hospital. And I said Yaudria Quanta Hospital in a Michael Jackson Kowu ye. Ana Anka Hospital Michael Jackson Wowu Hospital or na cancer if sometimes young dream top American artist Omewuno Omubewu your friend is saying Theobodom Community Hospital. Masa nyansa o ka asema can straight cannot send their tear send their wu no oh ebia Ghana for monhwe send their America for your mo kan yeso yembo ye ho na yentumi yesa enka se bedi atembe ka se Ghana leaders are useless, Ghana leaders are aimless. You don't have sense, you don't have common sense. Sabi u fre Ghana efuomu u fre Ghana krono efuomu Ghana eye fuoma yede visa no bo ahaban mu na yede ma wo se fetu kwan woni sa girl bia your friend say adwa de ben wo TikTok so mu podam mu mienu ni na mu podam mu timi mu di nkwasi asemasi mu eni so na model petrend kwasi abroche ho no mu na wo ho no mu no wo ye eduma na fa behwe we busuafo wonua bi wo ho no mu se bi essence kanti wontumi ko university Ube send this car boa wunu anim uti America komo wonum na jimie na wujimi Masa hwe ye ma obia ska wo bebia obia ma miska ba me pese me kire wo say Ghana enye efuo mu. Do you know how many people are proud to be Ghanaians? Do you know how many white are omoya Ghanaians? Mr. This may counted the chair wo say most of American actors Ghanaians are who kwasiampeni we wunim. What do you know? Trini Jonas, here, this should be a warning to you. Here, mean afraid there may no be see any one-on-one. But simply, I have been a passport to my audio 2 coin. Who refuse a Ghana passport and audio 2 coin. And I said, oh, sorry, and a American passport, if you're America, they bring on audio 2 coin. Massa, some was someone else would die. Because Ghana chrono, Ghana passport and audio 2 coin. Ya the visa no bo Ghana passport mo Jimmy wo sorry a won dwen wo sorry a won dwen odi your friend is saying we are by trend na say amanfo bi boji body weti ta weti for san kwase asem na wudi no e wo say wo ka say wo na we go pia about abrochire ho no na wo ho no we twie ball egu gate muda this ade I was say ye Genja is a ball and I usually got him. And no one now beka can the young nyansa and got Gina baby cast a glass and qua. Ade a habina yedi a dine waha. Yedi a habine in a city dine waha. Massa, think. Now, a more mutu quanqua brooch or mutu quanqua brooch, and ya a habine in a passport, yadi visa boom, and the more mudu to wine. Sabi ukita Ghana passport and no chese who free Ghana. No matter how citizen are we wa America chrono matter they can still deport you back to Ghana. And chese your root is Ghana. Who kachi? Who honoma? Who bet me aka say oh mo hwe send the kwan ya ye. Mo ma yeso ye mo ye ho nan ye. If you are saying that you are making sense. And once we be di atem, sabi o mo wo di o mo atem no. Ye omumu bie no wa uni omu ye tipen etumi ka se ye wayi ase ye hihye ntwene won wa bodam African tradition no wo maame wo papa de wo maame no papa de wo ba wiase jama wo ti boban Jimmy jama yan wo straight anasa wo maame wan fa na ya so wo fa ne to nti na wo Jimmy no masa Twini Jonas wo be your live video na wo kan wa asema say it straight because who go we busu for anymore ase. What nonsense is that? Friend, a croa, amma weduane edida, who friend, crone efuo mu. Imagine say Woodty Forest and ka obenya passport e dey too kwan. And I say obenya visa, obetumi apply visa in the name of Ghana na wo dey too kwan. Who Jimmy? Better say wo ma me no papa, and I say wo nuanom ni na be frɛ. No ma catch you say, Jimmy no jai. Ghana corona wu gu corona edi mu ase no Ghana corona wu gu corona mu wo maame na wo papa ni wo nuanom ni wo busuafo ni nna no mmuaye ben na omo so omo de aba ma ye de bo Ghana. Who need common sense? You don't have common sense. You are fooling. Jimmy asiampeni wo ti corona mu on mo ko ye adwuma na just life na wo ye wo be life kan wasem pure na ye na ye betumi support you say oh at least there who can on the right way and for insulting them and ya obi because who Jimmy Twini Jonas who Jimmy the insult now who ye bi mo no none of them is your mate masa Ghana krono who film who ye den yeah who kosro ba from Ghana passport na odi too kwan enye ahaban ina yedi visa no to so na yedi ma wo self too kwan u frɛ Ghana yeti efuo mu u na kansoa efri Ghana u papa free Ghana wo busua ase efri Ghana eti omo no mote forest ya wo forest Jimmy a wo say yetumi kanya nsesem de kyerɛ na wo hu say wo kan wo ehwɛ ya wo bebe obeye video a wo be kyerɛ without insult obetumi aka in a nice form na ye na ye hu say oh say here you are not the first person I would be call abrochi. You are not the first person who be call America promo on mo sa girl bi na your friend Andrew say ben wo TikTok onu su Jimmy se mo wuti kro no mo no na mape obi agina mo anemu na say be mo send this kaba na mo to aduane di ko enkrase ya you too you are helping wo so wo boa wo boa mo ni bi wonya obi agina wanemu na wo send this sika ne ba say hey de fato aduane na watwa de akere o mato money eyi ni seminar ni eyi na omo de akọ villages na omo akọtete in the name of wo so Jimmy akamo sebe ma re kotwetwe ponkose ni eyi masa let me tell you we are living good in Ghana. Whether the system is not working, we have our peace of mind. The peace of mind, you know, and none of your work. Yeah, papa, when you're the baby, because I'm going to find a currency. Yeah, papa, JD. Now, Bresso, tankers were honeymoon. Who said tankers in Ibama of your finger? Jimmy. And no who sans some way saying I was a worker. And go baby, because a glass and glass and the one who glass that. And I said, before you a glass and a naya wo. What's champagne Jimmy for Bema? To Taba, Jimmy. Na jais ankwasi asemoni ye juma ye live video ye sensible video. Ye sensible video na fabra. Na jais have foolish things now wo ye no. Masa, here obeka say ya mama scanner me kasa obi ama me one person be me person me put you right say Ghana enye efuo mu. Ghana enye efuo mu. This should be your warning for calling Ghana efuo mu. Aha enye efuo mu because yamfa visa na mbo ahabemu anase nya ahaban na hudi tu kwan kwa abroche ho. Ujimi Twini Jonas Ujimi fucking boy. Fred me I'm concerned about Ghana corona. Fred Ghana corona efuomu. better say obe ba bontin na wapa Ghana chow. Wapa Ghana kroni chow. Because here krona wa friend e fu mu no. Ebe ye won wan say da obetu na yesi kro we mu no. Ebe dani we fu mu. Ebe dani we fu mu. Ube wa no a wo de kan sa asem no. Ebe dani we fu mu na we hu. Who the hell are you? When you at the Ghana passport, at the two kind. Ewo kronomono. At one point in time, you are a Ghanaian. You are still a Ghanaian, no matter how you are American citizenship. What's here? Only more Ghanaians are actors. Ewo America. Doing oh ye video, Mamenka baby in trail. May can't be a trail say, would Jimmy now, would Jimmy no? Would Jimmy now, would Jimmy no? You bet to me, you're more than that. You bet to me, you're more than that. Yeah? Part 2, Baba. So, we see won't judge me now. Won't judge me now. I feel there, Upeshia, a megashia, nay, you want mega who. One kasa obete Jimmy aya hwe wano o kasa hwe wano aye se oba biscuit wasi ampe ni wo feel say wo wano oya wo betumi di amanfo atem yen kwasiafo wasi Ghana yefuo mu Ghana ayefuo mu so wo say wato car wa ha wato deben why you say wuti president dan echi and so fucking what here you will live video na kan wasem can play without insult can send your own huno without insult say obedi obi atem anasa obe frɛ Ghana efuomu say yeti efuomu wo jimi wo bodam asia una na kanso mbepie Ghana ka wo be kachi wo sa jimi for we say asia mpeni jimi to taba abuo biba sonson ba te say wo Twini Jonas. So but to say what Twini Jonas. Okay? Your next video. Na Fred Ghana a fool. I'm here to battle you. Na battle to the last end. As Siampeni. Wa body ni we ni mu kusu. I say obi ayase. Wano keke. I say soka we. Jaji mi no. Ubetumi your video. Aka wonyansa sem without insult. Ubetuma your video aka wonyansa sem without calling Ghana a fool. Masa, I'm very proud to be a Ghanaian. Anywhere in this world I'm proud to be a Ghanaian. I'm proud to say me free Ghana. What have you seen? What have you seen in life? Then a woman, when you brand in Pabre, when you baby and started free. Masa, no free money will come from anywhere. Bible na kan ye no wo Jimmy want o say ensan anye eduma no mani ndidi so obi bra nti obi nkoye eduma no mfa ma obi no ndi obi betumi akoye eduma e di aboa be on ka se koye eduma na mfa ma obi no ndi o Jimmy me catch part 2 video no me yama on won ukra rebe ko say we start say wo your life as Siampeni Jimmy for Bema.